Hello YouTube, here we are with a grill installation on the 15 to 17 Ford Mustang EcoBoost GT. No G350, no 500s. It is a Mach 1 lookalike type that is going to go on this front bumper. It's already hooked up with the lights, modules. Not going to show you how to take off the bumper. There's plenty of videos how to take off the bumper. There's plenty of videos how to take off this group piece out of your OEM front bumper. This is just going to show you how it's going to clip on the back of it, and I'm going to show you how it looks after final installation and see if we can get the lights working on the car. So if you come around over here, you will see obviously that the top and bottom grill is already taken out from the OEM. The back of this grill has the slots already cut out where it's going to automatically go in here. So what you're going to do is line up all the holes. I usually try to start at least on one corner and work my way around. And once you line them all up, when I start pressing against it, let it clip on all the way through. There it is. Bottom one is getting there. Making sure on this side lines up. There it goes. Alright, once you get all your corners lined up, you're just gonna keep pressing all the way around to hear the last clicks. Don't worry right now about this wire. I just got it just mocked up for now. Obviously you're going to want to hide your wires very well on your car. The only thing I gotta say is make sure your bottom lines up before you get to the corner of your front grille. Now we come around and look over here, see what it looks like. So right now we just need to get the bottom of the corners of the grill, but you can kind of see what it looks like right now. It does give it a new refresh on the look of the 15 to 17. And next we're just gonna try to put it on the car and get our final thoughts on this.
Here we go, guys. Here is the final installation of the Mach 1 style front grille for the 15 to 17 S554 Mustang EcoBoost V6 GT. And as you can see, our very bright white LEDs here for the DRLs that I believe it will be a little bit of blue hue to it if you had your regular DRLs on your headlights on. Unless you have aftermarket DRL kit like a RGBW or something like that, it should match up pretty well with this front grille. This front grille was it's a sponsored grill for us to review, have it and check it out and see what's our thoughts with this. As far as I'm concerned, it is a very good quality. It is not good quality that most of us are used to of being of a low quality part. Here, right here, you can see the turn signals are being coming on, and then it switches back to the white DRL. Same thing for the other side. Also on this vehicle in particular, it is not our vehicle that you have seen in the channel. This is a friend of mine that he was doing some work on his vehicle, upgrading some parts and stuff. So the car itself was already taken apart, so it was very easy for me to actually just get in contact with him and create this video for you guys to see what your thoughts. And if you wanted to get this kind of grill, the description below will have the link to our sponsor company. Also here it is shown installed in the vehicle, but like I said, he was doing some work with it. As you can see, it doesn't have the bottom grill and it doesn't have an engine pretty much. The battery on his was shot, so I was able to come along with our vehicle battery to get in here and test everything out. This is all thanks to AmericanModified.com. Like I said again, the link will be below in the description for this specific grill. The company's website also, it's americanmodified.com. Want to thank to them for sponsoring this video here. The installation wasn't too hard. Only thing is pretty much obviously take your bumper off. I'm not going to show anything of that. Final thoughts on this is it is a very well good looking grill. If it wasn't for the incident that we had on our vehicle, this will be on our vehicle, but more of that in the next two videos. Come back and check out the video about what's going on with our El Coyote NA car. And again, thanks to our buddy James for providing his